In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Samsung Keyboard 30500 to Samsung Tab A8. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Samsung Keyboard 30500 can be connected to any device over Bluetooth, and it can be connected with up to 3 devices simultaneously, which means that you can freely swap between them without having to manually disconnect and reconnect. In order to set it up with your Samsung Tab A8, go into the settings of the tablet and access the Bluetooth category. Inside of Bluetooth, make sure that it is enabled. Once you enable Bluetooth through the settings, you have to enable pairing mode on your actual keyboard. This will be done by pressing either F7, F8, or F9 down for a few seconds. You will notice that alongside each of these keys, they have a number. So you can assign one device to each of these profiles or keys. So you can have your A8 on one of them, you can have a laptop on the other one, your phone on the last, and so on. So press and hold any of these keys down. Once you press and hold them, it is going to go into pairing mode. You might see the LED blink, and now if you look under other available devices on your Samsung Tab A8, you will be able to find the Samsung keyboard. So tap on it from the list, and it is going to be detected here. Once the keyboard has been selected, it will be usable in conjunction with your tablet. You can connect it with other devices, and if this doesn't work, double check to see if it was powered on through the side and make sure that it has enough batteries. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.